Hello everyone, this is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and in this video I'll be reviewing the company GDET. And before I get into the fundamentals, let's take a look at the chart, and we can see that the stock has pretty nice run over time. You can see the first one from low trips to high 40s, giving us around 1100%. The second run was from 0013 to 0045, giving us 240%, and the last run, on which I will be reviewing today, that gave us 250%. Now let's talk about the huge volume candle right here around June 30th, which is well over 2 billion volume, that got the stock price to gap up almost 30% and continue its breakout all the way to the mid 40s. So we go to the OTC markets to understand what happened, and here in the news section we can see that there is an official press release after a full year of silence, complete silence, that says that the company finally launches the dual crypto dream card. Now this press release was released 1 hour before the market opened around June 30th, and that's what caused the gap, as we can see here. Now, I'm sure you're all wondering and asking yourself, yo Pikachu, with all due respect, I want to know how to get in before the breakout and not just understand the breakout itself. Well, if you really want to know that, check out my weekly review where I explain more about GDET company and 4 more popular stocks. Thank you for listening, guys, and if you want to see more reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our Discord community.